nowadays, yung self-help, self-improvement, self-development, self-love, self-care, self-healing, like, the world is so obsessed sa mga self na yan, na nakalimutan natin na our greatest power, okay? Our greatest power is found in union, in unity, in collaboration, in group work and teamwork. Like, sa tingin ko yun yung problema ng industry na yun eh. Na masyadong self-centered. What if kaya merong librong Find Your Team? Damn, that's a good book. Diba? How to find your team. How to find your people. In this world. how do you find your people in this world? Especially those who dares to challenge the status quo. No? If you dare to challenge the status quo, you're not gonna do it alone. Find your team. Find your team. Is this playing? Oh, it's not. That's okay. I have the mic here. Okay. I'll just wear my... This is for the personality purposes only. Okay? Not for the fashion purposes. Because I know, for some of you don't like it. Personally, I don't like the design too. But I wear it for personality purposes only. For charisma hacking. Charisma hacking. Anyway, ano sinasabi ko sa video na to? Bakit ko siya pinlay? That's okay. We move on.
Why don't we find our people?
Okay. I was talking about the problem of self industry. Self-healing, self-ganito, self-ganyan. Meron akong gagawing industry, Find your team industry. Iba't ibang klaseng yun. Strategy on how to find your team. See it for yourself kung gaano kahirap yung finding your team for you. Like, and also, see it for yourself kung, like, ano yung buhay na mag-a-unlock sa'yo the moment you meet the right person. Ewan ko pero every time that a person is trying to find themselves, they go to a different place, a different country. Pero feeling ko mahanap mo talaga yung sarili mo sa taong ma-encounter mo. Alam mo yan? Through your introspection practices, journaling, meditation, mindful movement. Sa tingin mo ba, morally equipped ka to the point na kahit ipasok ka sa sistema na may korupsyon, kaya mong hindi maging corrupt? Like, I mean, like, sa tingin mo ba morally equipped ka? Kaya mo yun? Like, kaya mo talagang mag-resist dun sa system na yun? Kasi, ewan ko. Feeling ko there are only few people who can who has integrity talaga. Oo nga, no? Like, how many people really do have integrity? Like, when you say integrity is yung doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. Even without other people's attention. And you're still doing the right thing. That's what integrity is, no? And yung makakapagsabi lang na may integrity ka, yung sarili mo, no? Wala lang, parang hindi siya pwedeng sabihin ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kasi kung sasabihin siya ng ibang tao sa'yo, edi nakita ng ibang tao. Right? That's it for this video.